Hey there, my high performer. It's Heather, your certified high performance coach. I'm here to give you some more tools and tips and tricks that you can use so that you can further develop and practice being a high performer with me. What's the number one tip to be a better high performer? Recently, I was asking myself the same thing. It was right after I finished a whole week of recertifying as a high performance coach. And it was a great week because it not only helped me to connect and reconnect with a lot of my CHPC friends, but I got to meet people from all over the world. Literally from Africa, Switzerland, Norway, Netherlands, everywhere in the United States. And the beauty about that is that I got to hear other people's perspectives and see what their worldview was like, which in turn helped me to be a more well-rounded coach. We got to run through scenarios and role plays. We got to be coached and we got to coach. And then we would get feedback on how we can uplevel our own skills, because that's the main thing that we're after, is that personal growth. So here's what it all boils down to. The question was asked, what are you most certain about in life right now? When I think about that question, what am I most certain about in life right now? It's being a high performer. It's high performance living and taking all this knowledge and wisdom and experience that I've gone through myself and sharing it with you, giving you the tools and those skills that you need so that you can level up. You can get that feedback and increase those personal development skills so that you can be a high performer too. The key is clarity. When you are so crystal clear about your path, when you are so certain what that big picture is for you, the path is lit for you and you know what those next steps will be. You might not know it in the very moment, but that clarity is like a roadmap that helps you to get to that next step and figure out, what do I need to do to get to that big picture, or to get to that goal, or to get to that destination? Clarity leads you in the direction that you are meant to go. So ask yourself, what are you most certain about right now? Grab that journal, put this topic in the title, and just start brainstorming away. There's no wrong answer. The more you brainstorm and talk it out loud or write it out, the clearer that picture becomes. And the more clarity you have, the more direction you have. So go out there and find some clarity and let me know what you found. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Please like, subscribe, follow for more, and I will see you next time.